Hello, I'm Brian O'Connor, the producer of SINEATER, and I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank everyone for their contribution towards SINEATER. At this stage now, we're just about to enter the film festival.
Alright.
Hey, Bertie, how's it going?
What's
I was just going to do the latest video there.
What?
I was just going to do the latest video for the campaign. Like you did the last couple, so I said I'd give it a shot.
But sure, shouldn't I be? I'm the director, like, shouldn't I?
I know,
be the
yeah.
video?
Like,
1 second,
I just thought I'd do it.
Alright, yeah, but sure, look, I'm here now, look. Is that alright?
Yeah.
Hi everyone.
This is Bertie, by the way.
Bertie Brosnan here, writer director of SINEATER. So what's the video about again?
Just thanking everyone for their contribution.
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Thanks everyone for their kind contributions. Their generosity has been very uplifting, and we've reached our target. And now any money that we make after this is going to go towards myself and Brian representing SINEATER at the international film festivals. The more money that we get, the more festivals we can enter. It's as simple as that. So we're really grateful, and I just think in future, like if you're doing a video,
Let you know.
let me know.
Great. Thanks everyone.